guys, Evan from Swing Trade Pros here, and in this short video I want to explain to you guys how to use the STP trend indicator. I've been getting a lot of questions and comments about what the differences are between our buy and sell indicator and the STP trend indicator, and I want to briefly explain to you that the STP trend indicator is not as real time as our buy and sell indicator. However, it does have a benefit in catching the trend, okay? So when the sell comes in, there will be a line, a trend line, right? And that always will reflect where the price will go. So, and the same when you get a long signal. So I want to go ahead and explain that to you guys here in this short video. So let's get to it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Evan with Swing Trade Pros here. I'm just going to show you guys how to set up the STP trend indicator and how this can really help you guys conquer your trading battles here while trend trading, okay? So first we're going to go to indicators, we're going to select invite only scripts, and we're going to choose the trend buy and sell signals. I've already selected it on my chart, so you guys can clearly see it here, hopefully. I'm going to just zoom into my chart so you can see it better. Alright, and so I think when I was explaining to you guys before, I was trying to tell you guys that there's a trend line, right? So you can clearly see that there's a trend line here that we're in, like a downtrend, right? So and when we are in an uptrend, you can see that the green line here shows this level as like a support level, okay? So what ends up happening is once we cross down this trend line here, we change the trend, right? So this can be helpful when you're trading options. This could also be helpful when you're trading breakouts. This could also be helpful when you're trading breakdowns. So in my opinion, it's a little bit later than the STP buy and sell signals, but I just wanted to kind of briefly go through how to utilize and strategize with the trend indicator. What you can do is also, if you guys have purchased obviously the indicators here, or you are paying our monthly subscription to it, you can run both signals with the chart. So what that'll do is it'll give you kind of confirmation. You probably want to set the trend to a similar period. So I'm on a 20, I think 4 factor, right? So you want to probably utilize the same multiplier, trend multiplier, or range multiplier, excuse me. That way you get max out of it here. So in this case, like the sell signal came in first, but then it reconfirmed the trend indicator reconfirmed this short. So you can kind of play around with it. I mean, here you got like a false buy signal, and then a sell signal came in. So for the most part, it's going to be pretty accurate. This is on the hourly chart, guys. So I think you actually want to use a smaller multiplier on larger time frames. So I think if you use the hourly chart or further out, so like hour, 2 hour further out, you want to use a smaller multiplier to get less signals. Okay, so we'll change this to 3, and you'll see that this buy signal actually came in not so bad. You would have got a nice little move to the upside, and then a down move here, right? And then the hourly short actually came in back here. It didn't duplicate. So the trend indicator actually gives less signals. So I think that's pretty good for this trend indicator. Well guys, make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel if you like what we're doing here, and we'll catch you guys in the next stream.